This one. Both ferrets. This one likes bags, like classic bags of any kind. He likes just playing it, chewing it. Like now he's not eating it. Let's just clear that right now. He's not eating it. He's just chewing on it and then just stashing him somewhere. Not in pieces, but the whole thing. He just stashes it somewhere for some odd reason. See what I mean? See what I'm talking about? See that right there? This is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. He just stash it and he'll take it off and just like just stash it and play in it. He's stashing bags. You mean see it for yourself. You mean say it for yourself. Look at my face. Nico. I love you too. Eddie. Hey, look at my face. Abby. I love you too, Bubba. Look at my face. I love you too, Bubba. You also explain yourself. Not groom me. He's grooming me. He's looking at my face and grooming me. Abby. Nico. Nico. Oh my goodness gracious! This is life right now. This is it.